What's going on? It's your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. I need to start doing that. I need to switch it up. I feel like every video. What's going on? It's your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. Let me switch it up. How y'all doing? It's your boy Corey T, and I'm here again with another video. Y'all know why I'm here. Basically show you guys an update on my portfolio. I'll probably go through it a little quicker this time. It won't be as in depth because, hey, nothing's really happening right now for my stocks. They're just kind of doing the dance, the I don't know what dance that is, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's just doing this right here, just riding the motion, trying to be patient. You know what I'm saying? So today's video is sponsored by the one and only Corey T himself. Y'all go check out my music. I got multiple features with all kind of people, not all kind of people, you know, with my people, my friends, my homeboys, my homegirls, whatever you want to call it. So y'all go check out my music. I'll put a few things, you know what I'm saying, somewhere on the screen. And yeah, I don't really put myself out there enough in regards to the music aspect things. I have some good music, by the way, so I'm sure you'll find at least one song that you can vibe to. So just give me a chance. Just give me a chance. All right. So anyways, so yeah, my portfolio right here. Right now, today it was down 1.18%. What else? I'm negative 331. I'm not really tripping about it because I had noticed at the very end of the day that, let me go to the daily percentage. The percentage for all stocks that I have and follow are dropping. So let me show you. Only one that went up today was water drop. Go figure. And that's the one I lost the most on so far. So yeah, that was a shock to me. So Chesapeake Energy all went down. Twitter, Kroger, Virgin Galactic, Sono, user testing. What else we got? The ones I'm following. Look how many I'm following that have dropped. 1% is not bad. So 2% is not bad. You know, that could turn around within a day, within an hour. So in and off the day like that, and it's Friday, maybe people want their money for the weekend. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really don't know. So next week, we'll see if it cranks back up. But yeah, all the stocks that I currently follow, and that's a lot of stocks, different, you know, categories, different, you know, I would like, what's 3E? 3E is health and shopping. And then you got the Canopy Growth, that's cannabis, and they got it as health or whatever. But yeah, so also this would be a good time to buy too, because it's down. Hello, you guys. So over the weekend, y'all might want to, hey, this is down. Amazon is down. Look where it was at this morning. Do you not think it's going to go up? It's the weekend. People ain't got nothing to do. They're going to be at home shopping. Not saying that's what really drives it, but that's a part of it. So, you know, just keep it out. When you see the market kind of drop down a little bit, hey, I need to go in and try to invest and make it worth my while. That's how you see your returns. That's how you see a big return if you know, do it right. And if you always keep your eye out for the drops, basically the lows. Buy low, sell high. With that being said, one thing I do want to mention, I want to show you guys this. I don't know if it's a conspiracy theory of mine or if it's just me overthinking, but I know these are two separate industries, two separate entities, two separate, whatever you want to call it. You got Bitcoin, cryptocurrency over here. You got stocks and investing over here. Two different things. But my theory is, I notice when Bitcoin is down, the stocks go down. I notice when the stocks go up, Bitcoin is on the rise of going up. So somebody playing hand in hand with each other. One thing I do want to say is, of course they're related because it's all dealing with money, it's all dealing with the economy, it's all dealing with, you know, what's going on in today's society. But when you really look at it, they are playing it very close. Like, I could go to, you know, Coinbase, but yeah, I'll probably, let me see if I can go to Coinbase. Oops, not at the time. I'll go to Coinbase. Let's see what my Coinbase got going on here. So today, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum dropped. Ethereum is at 15. Ooh, from 17. Also, let me put this nugget out here. Y'all go look at the predictions for Ethereum price in 2030 and 2025 and in 10 years from now. Go look at the prediction. I know I'm switching gears a little bit, but go look at it. If you download Coinbase and just put $5 in and put it into Ethereum and you try this out and you try this out. Not a financial advisor. I'm just saying if you try it, whatever. My experience, I'm like, wait a minute. This to me is worth it because, looking at the prediction, looking at the analysts of the cryptocurrency world, or reading what they're putting from this source and this source, and I can even show you a couple sources. I can show you. Let me get you right. Let me just watch this. Ethereum price forecast for 2030. The price forecast for 2030 is $4,000. Okay. Let's go to 35. Maximum expected price of Ethereum by 2030 is $18,000. Right. Anywho, and then let's go here. Ethereum price forecast at the end of December 2020 might be around $3,000, $4,000 change for a month, 11.1%. In the long term, 8 to 10 years, it could jump to 50,000 or even higher. In 8 to 10 years, $1,000 investment. Let's just say 2,000. By the time you invest, a $2,000 investment could jump up to 50,000. Or 18,000. Either way it go. It can increase. That's basically what I'm trying to throw out there. So for my followers who've been rocking out, who come to my videos and say, "Oh, I like your portfolio," no, I'm giving you more. Go check out Coinbase and Ethereum and look at it. That's just another way to make money. I'm just saying, especially if you thinking about Bitcoin in some shape or some form. Bitcoin is going up anyways. Bitcoin is here for the long run. Ethereum is right behind Bitcoin. So I'm just saying. Also, with Bitcoin being already at like 20-something thousand, Ethereum is more affordable for my people. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. Let me go back to Cash App. So like I said before, whoop-de-whoop. It's trying to load. Why is my Wi-Fi off? Anywho, so that's just one thing that I noticed. Like I said, I was just coming on here to show you guys a very quick, trying to get straight to the point with it, very quick update on my portfolio, and I'll go to my daily return. I made $7 from Water Drop, lost 70 cents from Chesapeake, lost $1, lost $2, $7, 8, and 10. So it might be the time to invest. So y'all just keep a lookout on that. It's not necessarily what stock to invest in. And just pick a stock, go for it. Dollar cost average. Never sell if you're in a negative. I want to say that. Hold off as long as possible. Stocks is a patient game, as usual, per usual. And just y'all keep y'all head up. What else we got? Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, yep. And they had a spike with Bitcoin as well. 21, then it dropped. And they all dropped around the same time, 10 o'clock. Has anybody noticed? See what I'm saying? Let me look at this. What time did Chesapeake drop? 10 o'clock it dropped. It went up at 10. It was going up. And then I know where it started dropping down. Let's see what Twitter did. Twitter, when at 10 o'clock, it was already dropping. Went up again and then dropped. So 10 o'clock was the hot spot. Ooh, 10 o'clock was getting everybody. Let's go. Here, 10:08. 10:15. I'll say 10:15, y'all. 10:15 was the hot spot. Then it started dropping. What else we got? User testing. 10.15. I'm telling, bro, that's insane. All these are, look, 10, 10:11, 10:15. That's crazy. So around 10:15, everything started dropping today. Go figure. Um, I wonder why that is though. I wonder why. Because now I'm thinking about it. How are all these stocks dropping at the same around the same time? That don't mean everybody has the same stocks. So hold on now. Everybody don't have Chesapeake. Everybody don't have user testing. Everybody don't have Sono and Kroger and all these different apps. I mean stocks. So I wonder what made them all drop around the same. Let's even look at something I don't own. Let's go to Lockheed Martin. Let's see what time they went down. So they was already down at 10, 15. It's still kind of the 10 area. What about Chipotle? Yeah, everybody is literally the whole market went down at the same. That's insane. It's the same dip. I don't know, y'all. Something going on. Something going on. Let me see about Walmart. Yeah, everything is at 10 o'clock. I'm just go with that. That's very interesting. So, it played hand in hand. And let's see, what time did this happen? Yeah, so it was 10. I wasn't tripping. So everything starts dropping at 10 o'clock. I think my conspiracy theory has just proved itself to be related to one another. Like I said, I already know they were kind of related. It just, in my head, I like to separate the two. And, if they working hand in hand together, what can you do? With that being said, y'all just thug it out. Y'all already know it's going to go down. It's going to go up. Just be on the right side. Right now it's down. Honestly, I'm telling y'all, this might be your time just to give it a try. Even if you just come to my videos and you're not sure, bro, this is literally the time to give it a try because it can either keep going down or it can turn around within the next few days. And when Monday turn around, back to the tits up, and you can see a gain. You can kind of like, oh, well, this is how this works. This is how this feels. This is what it's like to earn money on CashApp type thing. So with that being said, this is your boy Corey T. Thank y'all for sliding through, and thank you for all the people who subscribe. Thank you for all the people who leave the comments. Yes, I'm a real person. I'm not a bot. I had a conversation with a follower today, and they were saying basically, I'm glad you're not a bot. I'm glad you're a real person. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate that. So I try to reach the people who leave comments, and I do respond. I sometimes give out my Instagram if you really wanted to kind of chop it up more. But other than that, I'm a cool dude. I'm a normal dude. I just be chilling. I try my best to keep you guys updated. It is what it is. Once again, this is your boy Corey T, and we out. Yes, sir.